Get ready to experience the true power of the world's largest, most powerful, and most advanced light pole bending machine. BAYKAL 41500 Quadrum. Because what you're about to see is not just a machine, but a true engineering giant that brings steel under control. This massive platform is ushering in a new era in steel pole production with its impressive 16,400 millimeter bending length and 2,000-ton press capacity. With an enormous working area of 37 meters by 10 meters and a 240-ton frame, it delivers power far beyond its class, thanks to fully automated front and rear pushers, an integrated pole extraction system, and an intelligent control architecture. The production line runs continuously, at high speed, and with full operator comfort. The Quadrum system bends octagonal poles up to 10 millimeters thick with millimetric precision, combining maximum production capacity and geometric accuracy at the highest level and setting new standards in large-scale pole manufacturing. Steel pole production with BAYKAL press brakes, where perfection takes shape. The heart of a steel pole beats in the quality of its bend. The more accurate the bend, the stronger, more aesthetic, and longer-lasting the pole becomes. That's why BAYKAL press brakes are at the undisputed center of the steel pole manufacturing process. Conical, polygonal, or high mast. No matter which type of pole is being produced, the technology that truly defines its shape is BAYKAL's high-precision bending capability. Its rigid frame maintains angle accuracy even on long sheets, and its high-tonnage capacity ensures perfect results, especially in demanding high-mast applications. BAYKAL's advanced CNC technology continuously analyzes all variables such as sheet thickness, steel grade, bending length, and spring back. As a result, every bend is repeated with the same level of perfection. While conical poles achieve a smooth and continuous angle transition along their length, the angle harmony between surfaces in polygonal poles ensures that the multi-sided form closes perfectly. In this way, each pole is produced with geometry that is as close as possible to the original design with outstanding precision. For manufacturers engaged in serial production, speed, quality, and repeatability are indispensable. BAYKAL press brakes combine these three fundamental needs in a single platform. Their ability to bend large, thick sheets without problems makes BAYKAL not only a symbol of high quality, but also a symbol of absolute confidence. The bending process, how a pole takes shape. 1. Sheet cutting and preparation. Each pole type requires a different sheet geometry. Conical poles, trapezoidal cuts. Polygonal poles, multi-sided panels. High mast poles, thick and wide panels. During this stage, sheet quality, bend line markings, and surface cleaning are all checked and prepared. 2. Positioning the sheet on the press. Sheets ranging from 4 to 16 meters in length are loaded onto the press using cranes. Thanks to BAYKAL's powerful back gauge system, support arms, and anti-deflection features, a perfectly stable position is achieved before bending. 3. CNC programming, calculating angle and tonnage. In conical poles, the bending angle changes gradually. In polygonal poles, a constant angle is applied. In high mast poles, both spring back and high tonnage requirements are calculated. The BAYKAL CNC software automatically calculates the ideal bending angle, depth, and required tonnage. This ensures both high precision and a repeatable production standard. 4. Bending, where the pole's form is created. In conical poles, a continuously tapering form is obtained. In polygonal poles, a perfectly closed multi-sided structure is formed. In high-mast poles, bending is achieved without any loss of form despite very high tonnage. All of this is made possible by BAYKAL's rigid frame, servo-hydraulic precision, and real-time compensation system. With BAYKAL press brakes, excellence is the standard. Regardless of whether the pole is conical, polygonal, or high-mast, the true quality of a steel pole depends on one key factor: bending accuracy. BAYKAL press brakes elevate this accuracy to the highest level in the world with their superior precision, unmatched tonnage capacity, stability on long sheets, and repeatable production capability. Today, the perfect form, reliability, and durability of lighting poles used all over the world are a direct result of BAYKAL's advanced bending technology. In short, the invisible force behind high-quality pole production is BAYKAL press brakes. BAYKAL, think big, we do.